Hello everyone, today I have a new recipe which is Banh Xeo. I will show you how to make it. Please watch the video to the end. សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមានវីដេអូធ្វើបាញ់ឆាវសូមអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាជួយមើលដល់ចប់ So right now I'm eating the finished product that I made. You eat the crepe with the veggie which have lettuce, mint, cilantro, cucumber, and then you eat with the sweet and sour fish sauce, and you have some groundnut with it. ខ្ញុំសូមអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាចេញមកញ៉ាំបាញ់ឆាវជាមួយខ្ញុំដែលខ្ញុំធ្វើរួចហើយខ្ញុំញ៉ាំជាមួយសាឡាត់ជីខ្ញុំមាន cilantro, mint ហើយទឹកត្រីផ្អែមហើយខ្ញុំប្រើ cashew nut សូមអរគុណច្រើន These are the pork filling for the crepe នេះស្នូលសាច់ជ្រូកហើយនេះគ្រឿង for ម្សៅបាញ់ឆាវThese are the crepe, butter crepe. And this is the butter that I already mixed it. And this masao banh xeoខ្ញុំធ្វើរួចហើយ These are the banh xeo that cook in the pan. These are the banh xeo finish. នេះបាញ់ឆាវធ្វើរួចហើយនេះគឺជីសាឡាត់ញ៉ាំAnd these are the finished products, so you can see. So now I'm going to show you how to make the pork filling. So put some oil on, put on medium heat, put in the ginger, and then you put in the garlic, saute to it brown. ឥឡូវខ្ញុំដាក់ខ្លាញ់ខ្ញីហើយនឹងខ្ទឹមសឥឡូវវាក្រហមហើយខ្ញុំនឹងដាក់សាច់ជ្រូកច្រាំចូល and then យើងឆាវាទៅវាឆ្អិនទៅSo now I put in the ground pork and we're going to saute it until it's done. So keep stirring it until the pork cook. And now we add in some spice. I put a little bit of salt. Then a bit of sugar. Here come the fish sauce. Garlic powder. Black pepper. Sesame oil. ខ្ញុំដាក់ទឹកត្រីស្ករអំបិលខ្លាញ់ល្ងខ្ទឹមសម្សៅតែយើងជ្រោយវាឲ្យជុំគ្នាទៅ and then ឲ្យវាឆ្អិន So now I put in the onion ឥឡូវខ្ញុំដាក់ខ្ទឹមបារាំងចូល So mix it all in until the onion become tender แล้วយើងក៏កូរវាទៅដើម្បីឲ្យខ្ទឹមបារាំងនឹងវាទន់ So now I put in a little bit of hot water to help tenderize the meat more ខ្ញុំចាក់ទឹកក្តៅចូលបន្តិចដើម្បីឲ្យសាច់វាចេះតែទន់ So keep mixing it together. We're pretty much done at this step. So ឥឡូវយើងធ្វើរួចហើយយើងដួសដាក់ចានទុកទៅ Now it's finished. Take it out and put it into the bowl and put it away. So now I bring the batter out, and then make sure you keep stirring it so there's no more flour on the bottom. ឥឡូវសាបាញ់ឆាវខ្ញុំនេះហើយខ្ញុំក៏កូរវាខ្លាច់លោមានម្សៅជាប់ទៅខាងក្រោមមុននឹងយើងចាក់វា So now medium heat, put in some oil and brush it all over the pan and put a layer of the batter and keep swirling it around until it's no more water. Then you put in the filling. ឥឡូវយើងដាក់វាទៅចាក់វារួចហើយ and then យើងដាក់សាច់ជ្រូកស្នូលចូល Then after that you're going to cover it with the lid. Let it sit for about 2 minutes. Then when you don't see any more white flour, that means it's done. ឥឡូវវារួចហើយព្រោះយើងអត់ឃើញមានម្សៅអីទេវាឆ្អិនហើយយើងដួសវាចេញមក Now you scoop it into the plate. I got another one. បានមួយទៀតហើយ So now I'm washing up the veggie. I have cilantro, mint, and romaine lettuce. ឥឡូវខ្ញុំលាងបន្លែដាក់ញ៉ាំ I put some vinegar oil to wash it. ខ្ញុំដាក់ទឹកខ្មេះខ្លះដើម្បីលាងបន្លែ Now it's all rinsed, done. So now I'm slicing the cucumber. Peeling the cucumber skin out because I don't eat the skin. Now I slice it. ឥឡូវខ្ញុំចិតទៅសក់ដើម្បីយើងញ៉ាំជាមួយបាញ់ឆាវ Now it's all assembled. It's all done. The veggie. ឥឡូវបន្លែរួចហើយយើងរៀបរួចរាល់ហើយឥឡូវរបស់រួចរាល់អស់ហើយយើងអាចញ៉ាំបានហើយ Now the product is finished. We can enjoy បាញ់ឆាវ Hope you guys like this video. It's not difficult to make. It's very easy. Try it. It tastes very good. So I had the batter video on the other video, how to make banh xeo batter. Follow that. You won't be sorry. ខ្ញុំមានវីដេអូបង្ហាញលាយម្សៅរបៀបម៉េចធ្វើតាមខ្ញុំទៅអត់ខុសបំណងទេញ៉ាំទៅបាញ់ឆាវស្រួយឆ្ងាញ់អរគុណច្រើនបានមើលវីដេអូខ្ញុំសូមជួបគ្នាវីដេអូក្រោយទៀត Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you the next one. You all have a wonderful day. សូមអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានៅបានសុខសប្បាយជម្រាបលា Bye bye.